shout, happy birthday, Trisha. 1, 2, 3, shout! Happy birthday, Trisha! Bigyan natin ng isang masigawang palakpakan, Trisha.
Ginagawa sa nanay ko, bantayan muna sila, sila sandali lang, pumunta rin sila ko. Ipapamas ko kayo na.
Dami mo na regalo.
Of course, Jolly for this time, let us now proceed to the very important part of this birthday celebration, which is the candle blowing. So I would like to call on Daddy together with Trisha to please proceed at the back of the cake. So Eti, Mr. Yam, and Jollibee, sa likod tayo ng cake. So this way. Objects ko, ano kayo na, Mr. Daddy, Tito or Tita or Ate at Kuya. Paano naman kung nagbigay sa akin ng inner object in just 10 seconds. Gotta to let me ask you, are you ready? Yes or no? Happy birthday, Trisha. 1, 2, 3, shot. For the first item, Jollibee together with Trisha asked to bring me now. Who can bring me on?
Ay! Mga talon! Ulit-ulit!